everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by AJ, and today's video is going to be about preserving your hair at night so your set lasts 7 or so days. So if that topic sounds like it'll interest you, make sure you keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Alright guys, so before we get started, I do just want to talk about my nails. I know this seems very off topic, but it's very rare that you see me have my nails done in my videos, and that's for multiple reasons. Pre-pandemic, I didn't get my nails done because I used to wash dishes a lot and type on the computer and whatnot, so it really caused my nails to be weak and break and my nail polish to chip and all of that jazz. So I stopped getting my nails done as frequently, and then once the pandemic hit, I wasn't going into the nail salon that frequently, so it was no point in me getting my nails done. But now it's like, I don't know, it's something about getting my nails done just makes me feel feminine and like clean and, done. And I've been wanting to get my nails done, but just, washing my hair every week, doing dishes, typing on the computer all day, it just doesn't seem like that would fit with what I do with my lifestyle. But I am so happy that I received this gel nail polish kit. So the kit is from a company called Glam, and this is the packaging, super sleek, clean, and simple packaging. This company offers a variety of different nail supplies. What I received was a gel nail polish kit, and I really love getting gel nail polish. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot stand waiting for my nails to dry with regular polish. Like, I haven't done that since I was a child because I can't do it. Like, one little bump and now you got to redo your whole nail because everything's messed up. So I really love gel nail polish because it sets fast and they last a lot longer. And with this set, it's super convenient because everything is small, and I put everything into this little pouch. This pouch didn't come with it, but everything fits into here, so I can travel with it. I can literally do my nails anywhere. So the company was nice enough to give me a 30% off code to share with you guys. So I will leave it somewhere right here. It's Amani30_1, and I will also leave it in the description box below along with a link to the site. So if you're interested in that, I would definitely check them out. I'm super happy with my nails, and I'm probably not going to be spending that much time at the nail salon anymore. Like, this is very convenient and it works out perfectly, especially with this pandemic. So definitely check them out. So moving on to the video, there are multiple ways to protect your hair at night, and this video is not saying that the ways that I'm going to show you are the only ways. Let me know how you preserve your hair at night. So the way that I protect my hair at night is with a satin scarf. The satin scarf that I use is a large one, and it's in the shape of a rectangle. And what I do is I fold it diagonally. I fold it diagonally so I get a triangle, and then I make sure the bottom part of the triangle is to the back of my head, and all I do is put it on my head, kind of tuck whatever long pieces back, and then just tie it, make sure none of my hair is stuck in the loop, and then just do it like this and tie it like so. So this is how I preserve my hair every night, and this is what works for me at the length that I'm at now, where it doesn't scrunch my hair, but it leaves it elongated and kind of where I want it to be each night, and it makes it so it's flat, so my hair doesn't get too poofy. And I'm not a poofy type person, and I don't like a lot of frizz for my sets, but that's just me personally. So this helps me achieve that. So for the length that I'm at now, that really works, and then I just fluff it and it goes where I need it to. So that's one way to preserve your hair at night. Now another way is just with an old-fashioned bonnet. So with the bonnet, that's the easiest one. All you got to do is put it in and kind of tuck it, and you're done. This one's broken, but you're done. But for me, I don't like the way the bonnet kind of scrunches my hair up, and I think it's the length that my hair is at. It just doesn't keep my hair elongated. It kind of bunches it up where it looks like a mushroom kind of. So I'm not a fan of that, but that's another way you could do it if you have a shorter cut, or if you have longer hair where you don't mind a little extra volume. But for me, it's not my preferred method. Now, this next one is the one that I actually use for my daughter. What I use is a satin pillowcase for her. So you can see it's a satin pillowcase. Nothing fancy about this. You're able to sleep how you want to sleep. If you still want to protect your hair at night with a scarf or something, you can, but you don't have to because this is going to serve as that. So this is another great option. It's a pillowcase. You can get them for like $1, I think, at the hair store. You can order them offline. You can even get a silk version, whatever pleases you. Now another method is a buff. I actually have a buff and I wish I could have shown you guys in the video, but I don't know where that thing went. It's been missing for like a month or so now. I don't know where it went. The only thing that I didn't like about the buff is it kind of didn't leave my hair as flat as I wanted it to, and I had to like do a lot more moving around to get my hair where I wanted it to be, because the buff would pull my hair back rather than put my hair down how the scarf does. Again, there's multiple ways to preserve your hair at night, so it's kind of up to you what you want to do. It depends on how much effort you want to put in. If you prefer volume, if you prefer flatter hair, all that kind of jazz. But either way, you're going to preserve your hair at night. So those are 4 ways that you can preserve your hair at night. Let me know if I missed anything, and thank you guys so much for watching. And again, check out the Madam Glam if you're interested in doing gel nails at home. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my video next time. Bye.